Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Chibi Tarot. This is the fully completed version, and thank you so much to Baroque Publishing who published this for sending this my way. I will link everywhere that you can purchase this down in the description box below. If you recall this artwork, we did a early review of just the major arcana that were done at the time, and I am so excited to see this fully completed because I fell in love with it. So this includes 80 cards with a physical little white book and a digital guidebook. This was created by Mustapha and illustrated by Viavaly Art. And of course, like I said, you can find where to purchase this as well as all of their other decks down in the description box below. So it has the hinge with the magnetic opening, and inside this says, "May this deck bring you many years of fun readings with love, Mustapha." All right. Oh, I'm so excited. All right. At the bottom here, it says, "The universe is full of magical things patiently waiting for our wits to grow sharper. Eat and fill pots." All right, so here's the little white book, and it's so cute. Oh, there's the little QR code for the digital download. We have a history of tarot connecting with your deck, and we have some spreads here. So we have a 3-card spread, Celtic cross spread, and the horseshoe spread. Then it goes into the meanings. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. So here we go. Here's the edges. Look at that. Bright blue, shiny, fun. I adore the back of these cards so much. I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer. How cute is that? The cardstock is on the thinner side. I wouldn't call it paper thin. It is thinner. This retails for $60, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that. It's on sale right now for $50 as of filming this video. So I believe there's only 22 of these decks left right now. So if you want it, go get it. Rush on over. Here we go. No borders. Title at the bottom. It's just such a fun deck. And if you like a gentler style to your tarot decks, this might be for you. So stinking cute. And the colors are vibrant. It's just fun to look at. I just adore it. And it was only the major arcana that we saw. I fell in love right away. All of the symbolism is there. We do have gold type font. I love the staff. It simultaneously reminds me of anime, as well as video game characters, and then just cute in general. I guess that's what Chibi is. It's just so fun. I love this card. I love how the stars are designed. Just the light. And this one kills me every time. It's so stinking cute. Okay, I'm excited. Oh, the wise cat. Look at the two different eye colors. And then the happy squirrel. Oh my goodness. Love. All right. And we have the minors. So these I have not seen before. Love the cohesive backgrounds. Yeah, all the symbolism is there for me. Ooh, this is gorgeous. All right, coins or pentacles. Oh my goodness. Swords. That's a cool perspective of that card. I love how you can see the Rider-Waite-Smith influence and the symbolism here, but it's done in their own unique style. The X's on the eyes get me all the time. It makes it so less like serious to me, and I don't know, it takes me back to like Looney Tunes and stuff like that, where it conveys what it needs to get across, but it's not so intense. The different facial features and expressions. And cups. Oh, I love that. All right, I am so happy with this. I think it's adorable, easy to read, very beginner friendly. Oh yeah, it shuffles so nice. Ooh. Overhand shuffles really nice too. And we're going to read for the Ace of Cups. Yeah, I really like how they feel. Okay. So here's a reminder of what it looks like, and we're going to go to the book. Okay, the Suit of Cups. Ace of Cups. This card signifies new beginnings in love, spirituality, and the inner journey. Keywords: upright, emotional awakening, spiritual fulfillment, compassion. Reversed: emotional loss, blocked intuition, unfulfilled desires. Meanings: upright, the Ace of Cups is a beacon of inner feelings blossoming, representing a time when the heart is ready to open and there is an opportunity to experience joy and emotional richness. Reversed, when the card appears reversed, it suggests that emotions may be repressed or that you are experiencing a delay or blockage in the area of emotion or intuition. Wonderful information. Especially if you are a beginner, this will help you out a lot. I just wanted to take a peek at the extra little cards here. Oh, that might be in the digital portion. Let me just check. So yeah, I'm assuming that those are going to be in the digital because I'm not seeing it in this guidebook. It just stops at the world. Okay, I'm not mad about that. Okay, regardless, this is adorable. I am so happy that I got to see it finished. Thank you so much to Baroque for sending this my way because I absolutely adore it. I think it's just so fun and special, and I think it was done with a lot of love and care and appreciation. And I really do think that this is going to be one of my go-to decks for myself personally. All right, so I would love to know what your thoughts are on this deck. Is this something you're just as excited about as myself? Or is this a pass from you because you prefer more serious tone decks? Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. I love to hear them. So thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And if you are watching this in March of 2025 when I upload it, I am still having a sale on my Etsy where if you want your own personal private reading, it's on sale. There will be a link in the description box to that too if you are interested. So thank you all very much, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.